How to get your 4,000 watch hours using short. Short is very good if you want to grow your YouTube channel. My YouTube is monetized. I've gotten my 4,000 watch hours and I've gotten my 1,000 subscribers, and my YouTube is monetized. So I am in the best position to teach you this. Short is a very good way of growing your channel if you want to grow your channel. But you all will agree with me that the view gotten from short doesn't necessarily count by YouTube. If this is what you want to watch, please subscribe, like, comment, and equally share this video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make a video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. But there is a mistake you all make. You make a mistake of going to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or even this YouTube to go and take people's short. If you want to grow your channel with shorts, you must make sure that those shorts belongs to you. You don't necessarily need people's shorts to grow your channel. YouTube will sanction your channel when they find out that the short you are using does not belong to you. So if you want to grow your channel with short, there are things you need to do for the view you are getting from short to count, because normally YouTube does not count those views. But if those views must count, there is something you have to do about it. Welcome and welcome back. On this channel, we'll talk about YouTube growth, content creation, and how to make money online. So if that is what you want, click on the subscribe button, like and share. Click on your YouTube, your YouTube app. Select the video you want to turn into short. It will bring you here. Click on remix. You see something like this. You see edit into a short, you see sound, you see cut. Click on edit into a short because you want to turn the video to a short. 1,000 subscribers. Now click here to leave it at 15 seconds or 60 seconds, whichever one you want. Drag the video to the best part of the video. Click on layout. Choose how you want the video to be. 1,000 subscribers fast and 4,000 watch hours how you want fast, the video so that to be, whether your YouTube channel will be monetized. Then this video is for you. 3 things you would turn on for YouTube to depending recommend on your videos. So I wish I know this. After choosing what you want, subscribers fast and 4,000 watch hour fast, so that your YouTube 1,000 subscribers fast. If you come here, you will see 4,000 watch hour you fast, so that you see text, your YouTube channel will be monetized. Then this video is for you. Okay. Things so you would turn on for YouTube to recommend your videos. Now, as you have clicked on next, the next thing for you to do is to put on your caption. You can put on as short, whatever you want to write, tutorial, smartphone, anything you want to write, just put it on. After putting all these things, you click on upload short. You click on here and your short will upload. Now you have created your short. You agree with me that this is the best way to create short, because you wouldn't want, after creating a long video to post, you also go and sit down to create a short. So for me, this is the best way to create short. But then again, how do I make the view I get from this short to count? Which is the best part of this video, how to make the views you get from short count, because the normal views you get from short doesn't really count like that. But then how do I make these views to count? How do I make YouTube to recognize these views? How do I make them to start making this view to count? That is what I want to teach you, and that is the best part of this video. So let's go there. Now, this is the best part of this video, how to make those views count. Come back to the short you already published. Click on these 3 dots, click on edit. Once you click on edit, scroll down and click on related videos. Once you click on related video, it's going to bring out the main video, the original video you posted, the original video you created the short from. Is going to bring out the video, and once you brought out the video, just click on the video. The moment you click on the video, the next thing to do is to click on save, and that is it. The view you get from your short will start counting for you. The view you get from your short will start counting in your watch hour. So right now, rush and go do it. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and equally share this video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make video, you're going to be among the first people to be notified. I love you. I love you.